A very good morning, everybody. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially the esteemed guests, dignitaries, and all you invitees, along with those who have joined us virtually for this extremely special event, Listing of Macrotech Developers Limited. BSE के इस सभागार में उपस्थित साथ ही हमसे जो वर्चुअली जुड़े हैं उन सभी का मैं मानसी तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। We have with us Shri Abhishek Lodha, MD and CEO, Macrotech Developers Limited, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, Shri Jayashankar Venkataraman, Senior Executive Director and Head of Equities, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company, and Shri Salil Pitale, Joint MD and Co-CEO, Axis Capital. Welcome to you, gentlemen. The function will now be inaugurated in keeping with the Indian tradition by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. I invite Shri Abhishek Lodha, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. I also invite Srimati Manjula Lodha, Abhishek's mother, along with his wife, Mrs. Vinti Lodha. Ma'am, please. Deepen lokan jayati, deepastejomaya smritaha, chaturvarga pradodipan, tasmat deepyajet priye. The lamp is luminous. Its radiance grants victory. Its light imparts dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. This is the significance of lighting a lamp, and hence a lamp should be lit. Lamp, as we know, is also a symbol of knowledge. Knowledge leads to development and overall progress in the long run. वाकई यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए, moments to be treasured in the form of photographs. We will have a group picture, please. Thank you. The lamp being lit, the program being inaugurated, I request all of you to please take your seats in the audience while I call upon Shri Jayashankar Venkataraman, Senior Executive Director and Head of Equities, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company, for the opening address. Sir.
Good morning, everyone. Respected members from Macro Developers Management Team, Mr. Abhishek Lodha, MD and CEO, Mr. Sushil Kumar Modi, CFO, business heads of various SBUs, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO of BSE, my colleague BRLMs, incoming investors, and members from media joining us virtually and physically. I extend a hearty welcome to each one of you on the auspicious and momentous occasion of Macrotech Developers listing. Listing is an indelible milestone in the journey and growth of every company. The same is true for Lodha, as this listing represents a significant milestone even as it executes its exciting growth strategy. And may I add that this listing is also equally important milestone for the real estate sector, as we are witnessing a listing of a real estate company after a long gap of 10 years. Firstly, I would like to commend Abhishek and his management team for tirelessly doing over 100 investor meetings. As testimony to its exemplary execution and impressive track record, we had marquee institutional investors participating enthusiastically from across the globe, and these investors included leading global funds like Capital and Wellington, leading Asian and emerging market funds like Nomura and Platinum, Ivanhoe Cambridge, the real estate arm of Canadian pension fund CDPQ, IDEA, a leading sovereign fund, and leading domestic funds like Premji and HDFC Mutual Fund, among many others. Even as we got into a launch mode a few days back, the market saw significant challenges in the form of upsurge in COVID cases, and this naturally brought with it concomitant market volatility as well as impacting market sentiment. I would say undoubtedly it is the high quality of anchor investors that provided the IPO the resilience, as also did the participation from non-institutional investors. Abhishek, I wish you and your management team every success as you get listed today. I'm confident that you and your youthful management team that has built Lodha into a strong real estate brand, market leader in the MMR, and as the leading residential real estate developer in India, you will continue to add significant value to your investors. Finally, on behalf of Kotak, I would like to thank you and your team for the privilege and honor of sponsoring your listing. Thank you and best wishes.
Thank you, Mr. Venkataraman, for the cordial remarks. And now, may I invite Sri Abhishek Lodha, MD and CEO, Macrotech Developers Limited, to address the August gathering and all those who have joined us virtually on this highly special and equally joyous occasion. Sir.
Good morning, everybody. It's a great pleasure to be here today at the Bombay Stock Exchange, India's finest and oldest exchange, and be witnessing the listing of Lodha, Macrotech Developers Limited. As a company founded by Mr. Mangal Prabhat Lodha in the early 80s, we have, over the last 3.5 decades, witnessed a great evolution and have, with the support of all our partners, witnessed tremendous growth. In the last 18 years, the company has grown its revenues by almost 180 times, and we have emerged as India's largest residential real estate developer and a company which sets the benchmark for quality and world-class development in our country. We are tremendously excited by the amazing opportunities which are before us today. We believe India is on the cusp of a huge boom in housing, particularly in affordable and mid-income housing, and we are committed to ensuring that every Indian has an access to a quality home, a home which fulfills all the needs and desires of every family member. The recent times of COVID have taught us the importance of the home and how our home is much more than just a place to live in. Going forward, we might work, we might study, or do many other things in our home, and each one of us is desirous of a bigger and better home. And Lodha, along with our peers, will ensure that India will continue to have a very high quality supply of housing. I am deeply thankful to our bankers, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank, JP Morgan, and the others for their support and leadership in bringing our company to the market. I am very, very thankful to our founder, Mr. Mangal Prabhat Lodha, his peer founders, Mr. Rajendra Lodha, Mr. Deepak Lodha, Mr. Babu Singh Rajguru, my family members, my mother, my wife, my brother, my children, and most importantly, my fellow colleagues. I am very, very sure that this team that we have has built this amazing company, And going forward, we will continue to execute on our business plan and set a whole new benchmark for what real estate development can be in India and how value can be created for our shareholders. Lastly, and most importantly, I am deeply thankful to all the investors, big and small, who have supported us in this listing. As Jaya mentioned, it has been a difficult time with the rise in COVID cases. We pray that this surge of COVID comes to an end soon and India can resume its path back to becoming a global superpower, both economically as well as health-wise. But our investors, I am deeply thankful to each one of you for the support, the belief, and we can assure you that we will do our very best to make sure that we fulfill and go beyond your expectations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for putting the company's glorious journey in a nutshell for all of us, right from its establishment to its major milestones, current accomplishments, and plans for the future in short. Thank you. May I now request Sri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, to address us all.
Srimati Lodha, Shri Abhishek Lodha, Lodha family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, before I begin, I want to extend our deepest gratitude to all those who are once again on the front lines battling the health crisis, including doctors, officials, Government of India, state governments, local BMC, police, sanitary workers, and everyone. Our words are few but heartful. A good morning to everyone at the BSE International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listings of Macrotech Developers, or Lodha Group, India's largest real estate developer by residential sales. We are confident that by listing on the BSE, Macrotech Developers will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. The IPO of Macrotech Developers was oversubscribed 1.36 times, a robust response led by qualified institutional buyers and non-institutional investors. I congratulate the management of Macrotech Developers, merchant bankers Axis Capital, BOB Capital, Edelweiss Financial Services, ICICI Securities, IIFL Holdings, JP Morgan, JM Financial, Kotak Mahindra, SBI Capital Markets, and Yes Securities, and everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. BSE looks forward to continue being Macrotech Developers' preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. Thank you very much.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts. And जिस पल का हमें इंतज़ार था वो करीब आ रहा है. The momentous time for which we all are eagerly awaiting is fast arriving. I request Shri Abhishek Lodha to kindly step up on stage, sir. It's barely half a minute. This, ladies and gentlemen, will mark the official listing of Macrotech Developers Limited, formerly known as Lodha Developers. Join me in cheering when 10-second countdown begins. We'll put our hands together as the timer strikes 10 o'clock. जब 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम इस पल को सजाएंगे. It's truly an honor to be introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. Heartiest congratulations to the management, investors, and stakeholders of Macrotech Developers Limited on the official listing. ढेर सारी बधाई और हार्दिक शुभकामना. Thank you everybody. May I request you to please take your seats. Those who are done, please. I request everybody to kindly be seated.
We can take the pictures later. इंडिविजुअल पिक्चर्स बाद में ले सकते हैं ना, अभी मेमेंटोज वगैरह बाकी है, वोट ऑफ थैंक्स वगैरह सब कुछ बाकी है. कैन यू
I request Ashish sir and Mr. Lodha to kindly stay back on the stage as we have the memento exchange.
Take the individual photograph, everybody.
All right. Can I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD CEO? All right, one nice picture for memory's sake. Ashish sir will now present a memento as a congratulatory gesture to Shri Abhishek Lodha, MD and CEO, Macrotech Developers Limited. Congratulations once again. This, as you can see, is a replica of the big gong. And now, Shri Abhishek Lodha, MD and CEO, Macrotech Developers Limited, will present a memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, in reciprocation. Thank you, gentlemen. You may please take your seats. And the vote of thanks will now be proposed by Shri Salil Pitre, Joint MD and Co-CEO, Axis Capital.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Many congratulations to Abhishek, the entire team at Lodha at Macrotech Developers for the listing of Macrotech Developers today. Listing for any company is a momentous occasion more so for a leading company in the real estate space, this being one of the first IPOs for over a decade in the real estate space. We at Axis Capital are extremely privileged and happy to be associated as a banker to this largest real estate developer IPO in a long time. It's come from a company with a very passionate promoter and a fantastic execution team that has built out a great business. I think with the second wave of COVID hitting us more harder than the first one, and also the resumption of stamp duty to 5% in Maharashtra, adding to the complexity, it's the company's strong brand and resilient business model which ensured that the deal went through successfully. A very high quality anchor book, good quality institutional investors have backed this deal, and we are very proud to have been part of this historic journey. The response in such volatile times would not have been possible without the tireless efforts of the promoters, of the management, in not only running the business at full steam, but also meeting over 100+ investors during the road shows. The successful listing of Macrotech not only develops a strong foundation for the long-term development of your brand, but also marks the beginning of a very new phase of strong growth in all aspects of your business. It's a sincere belief that the company will actively capture more growth opportunities, strengthen its competitiveness going ahead, and strive and bring greater and sustainable value for all its new shareholders too. I once again congratulate Abhishek and the team for commencing this listed journey, and all the very best in your future. Thank you.
Thank you so very much for those closing remarks. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude the function. This is Manasi taking your leave. Have a great day ahead and stay safe, stay healthy. इसी के साथ इस आयोजन का समापन होता है. मैं मानसी आपसे विदा लेती हूँ. स्वस्थ रहे, सुरक्षित रहे.